Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Okay, so I have some happy mail to share with you all. And one is coming from our good friend Angelica. And she is Crafters Treats 2017 here on YouTube and on Instagram. Angelica, I appreciate you. Oh my gosh, girl, you did not have to send me nothing, but it's here. I got it. I got it. I got it. And I don't know why I'm opening it up like this, but you know, it is what it is. And trying not to cut the card. Ay, 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 Eileen. All right, let's get into it. So, thank you, Angelica. So, oh my goodness. Look, you guys, they got purple candles. How pretty. I'm assuming this is an embossing folder or a paper that came like this, but man, that is some fancy paper. If this is an embossing folder, girly, let me know, let me know. Okay, let me open this up real quick. Oh, cute. So it's blank, so I could use it. Oh, no wonder. Duh, because the envelope. Hello, Eileen. Look, oh my God, how cute. She gave me some happy birthday. Let me read my note before I get carried away. Hello, Eileen. Just a little something. Wish you happy birthday. Special day. Be joyful and memorable. Sending hugs, Angelica. Girl, thank you. Yep, I got it right. Crafters Treats 2017. Oh my goodness, Angelica, thank you. And then she shared this fun birthday cupcake. Ooh, it's a sticker. It's a sticker. How cute. Oh my gosh. The cutest happy mail. This is so adorable. And then she sent some beautiful birthday die cuts. What die set is this? Look at that. Celebrate in gold. And then she has happy birthday circle. And this is all in gold, guys. So pretty. And then she has happy birthday. How cute. And I get a birthday card with it that I can reuse. Oh my gosh. This is adorable, Angelica. Ay, ay, ay. She is the most thoughtful girlfriend. Crafty girlfriend. Dude, this is so awesome. I really, really love this embossing card, or I don't know what to call it because I never really play with those, but that is so adorable. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm gonna put this right here. I also have a winning from Jenny, Crafty Hilo Girl. You guys, if you weren't following me in September, I don't know why I'm putting it all the way away, but we hosted, PHA group hosted a, what is it called? A hop here on YouTube and on Instagram. And it was hosted by Jenny, who's Crafty Hilo Girl here on YouTube and Instagram. And my prize came today. I won one of her prizes that she was giving for the participants. So we had no clue that she was going to do this. And this is just the most sweetest. Look at this cutie. I'm going to keep her. I'm going to keep her. Anyway, I was one of the winners because there's more than one winner. It was myself and another. I don't know where my scissors are. All right, instead of fussing with that knife, I'm gonna use my scissors and I'm gonna open this up real quick. You guys, she is so sweet. So she had the idea to post the Hello Kitty and Friends hop, and if you don't know, you need to look up that hashtag. It's PHA 2022 Hello Kitty month. And there were several beautiful crafters. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this. That were participating. And yeah, oh my. Jenny. Thank you, Jenny. Oh my God. First, I'm going to attack the card. So pretend we don't see nothing. I'm just going to make it look like that. And anyway, she didn't tell us that she was going to do a participant giveaway. And I won. I won one. And look at her card. It's so perfect for me. It's purple. And it's Hello Kitty. Oh my gosh. So she was talking about these dies. They are so intricate. These are the Hello Kitty dies that you get, I think, on Auntie Allie. And to piece them together is such, you need a lot of patience, because this is one die and it cuts all these pieces out. And her face is hollow, there's no backer, and you have to lay these pieces on another cardstock and then put all the little tiny pieces. So she cut this out 1, 2, 3 colors. So there's 3 colors on here: the black, the floral, the light pink. Am I counting that right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 colors. I can't count. Anyway, it's very intricate. And Jenny, I really, really appreciate you thinking of us like that and taking the time to create these. And she recently just shared a video, guys, on how she now makes her shakers. And she uses her sewing machine. How smart. Look at these, the fun confettis that she's got in here. All the pretty hearts. Oh my gosh. And then she's got Hello Kitty on there. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let me get into this card. And look at her writing. It's so pretty. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm still working on it. I know. Me too, girl. I know. Let me just read this to you. Hi, Eileen. Hope you're settled into your new home. I can't believe you moved in. You moved again and can still craft up a storm. Still struggling to get my mojo back, but I think this hop helped. Thank you for participating in the hop. It was so fun to see everyone's creations. Hope you enjoy your goodies. Jenny, you are the bomb.com. Look at her signature. Crafty Hilo girl. So pretty. You are the bomb, girl, to even bring it up. Like, we were all like closet Hello Kitty lovers until Jenny mentions it in our chat, our group chat, and everyone was like, yes, Hello Kitty, yes, we're gonna do Hello Kitty. so anyway, oh, whoa, what? What? Oh my God. This is so cute. Reversible plushie. Oh, so is she supposed to be inside out? Oh my God, look at the Hello Kitty. Oh, she's so cute. That's what it is. Oh my God. I got a new desk, friend. I just moved out my Hello Kitty stuff because I'm moving my room around again. And yeah, I'm still trying to find the sweet spot. But look at the Hello Kitty. Let me get her all nice and tucked. You got to get her presentable, Eileen, before you start showing all her goods. Look at her. She's so cute. Oh my gosh, Jenny, thank you. Thank you. And then this is a little goodie bag. It's fabric. And it's little twin stars. Yes. These are my favorites. Hello Kitty, little twin star, My Melody, and oh man, I can't remember the name. It's the dark side of My Melody. And then the cat, the black cat. Oh my God. I can't remember the names. Wow, so shameful. But look at that. And it just says fresh fruity delights for you to try in our twinkling fruit parlor in the sky. How cute. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Sanrio. Wow. Copyright 76. Ooh. Wow. Oh, that's 2 different prints. How cute. Little twin star. Oh my God, don't let me start singing. Okay, let me get the goodies out. You guys, I'm sorry for this long video. I'm just rambling. Oh, what is that? My little twin stars. Yes. Oh, and it says little twin star on the back. And it has a little jingle. Jingle, jingle. How cute, Jenny. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, girl. Wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh, even the packaging is adorable. I want to peel that sticker off just so I can see what's behind here. Oh my God, I'm terrible. All right, let me get on with it. And she got a little pouch. Ah, cinnamon roll, cinnamon roll. Look at this little pouch. It's glittery. And then you've got all the little cinnamon roll with the sweets. How cute. So cute. The little tiny teacups. Oh my gosh. Adorable. And look at this. Sakura with Hello Kitty and dressed as the little Hello Kitty dressed as a kitty. Oh my gosh, Jenny. Thank you so much. Wow. And she didn't have to do this, not one bit. Because just being a part of that hop was so much fun. It was so fun to see everyone's creations and their, you know, how they interpreted their paper crafts. Oh my gosh, with Hello Kitty and friends. So you could have made any of them. The twins, you could have made it with cinnamon roll. You could have made it with the Pochico. I am horrible. And then I really, although he's cute, I hate frogs. Keropi. And then the sweet stuff that I just keep holding and tempting you all. And it's purple. What? Did you plan that? It says Big Island Crunch Bar made with Aloha, Big Island candies. Oh, Hilo Hawaii. Wow, Jenny. Oh my gosh, thank you. I still owe her some States sweets, like stuff that she can't get in Hawaii, because man, she hooked me up with that one Happy Meal, and I was just like, my son and I were just pigs. We ate everything. We ate it all. Oh yeah, that's just us. We love our goodies. But look at this one. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Anyways, thank you, Angelica, for my birthday wishes. Thank you, Jenny, for my prize and my goodies. I'm just so blessed to have made friends with you all here on YouTube and Instagram. It's been such a great blessing to be a part of this crafty community. And if you guys are interested, check out the hashtag PHA 2022 Hello Kitty month, and also check out our Facebook group. It's PHA Crafters, and you have to just answer the question, who is the creator of the group? And it's our girl, Christian's Crafty Adventures. Just need to put her name in there, and you know, we can all, you know, get inspired and be inspired, inspiring each other. And yeah, that's it. I can't, I'm a babbler, guys, so sorry. But anyway, thank you all for joining me, and I'll see you all on the next video.